Right there, folks. Welcome to Carnarvon. I was hoping to start right underneath the castle, which you can see ahead of me here, but there is a food festival or something on today, so there's a load of roads closed, so I can't actually get to it. So I've kind of come down a little back road here. We'll loop back round and then head off. There it is. There's the castle. Get in this guy's photo. Right then. We're going off to do the Llyn Peninsula today. If you look at a map of Wales, in the northwest there's like an arm sticking out, pointing out into the sea. It's that bit. Never actually ridden around it. I thought it's a nice day. It's about 10 AM now. 18 degrees already. Should be pretty good day. Got nice blue skies. Gonna go see what it's like. Visor is absolutely covered in flies already. It's a right state. So when I was planning this route, the first maybe 10 miles or so, maybe not even that many, out of Carnarvon, they don't look like the greatest. They can just be a bit straight, and you know, the kind of roads that have been built to bypass villages and things like that. It's good because it'll get us a distance away pretty quickly. So I'm going to turn off down a B road. That'll kind of mirror the coastline. It won't be right up against the coast, but it'll kind of make more of a perimeter of the peninsula than following the roads that like the main A roads that take you to each of the towns. Bethesda Bach. So maybe the straight roads weren't so much bypass. I think what we just turned off was the main kind of bypass. And you can see it running through this way. So maybe we are on the old roads here. They did look pretty straight on the map. Maybe that's because they're old lanes designated between farmlands. I think down here is the turn off down towards Carnarvon Airport. And there's a couple of caravan sites down on the beachfront. There's the airport back there. There you go, that'll be the turning. Gonna have to keep an eye on the camera today because flies are gonna get splattered. Look at the mountains, man. Nice. Pontefini, maybe? I should really learn how to pronounce these places. I know that a double L is like cl, so Llangol and Llandegla, Llanelli. If you know any other ones, let me know in the comment. Educate me on this language. This lorry, the Audi, see me, good man. Walk past in a bit. have the sea right up to our right here. The hedge is too tall. There it is. What we got here? Is this a church or a tower? FAWR. Four. Four. don't know why that's so funny. If it was an N at the end, it'd be four, wouldn't it? So four. Could be fair. It's a shame you can't really get a good look at that from the road. GYRN Goch. The sea. Wales in the sunshine is a hard place to beat. Okay, our B road turn-in is coming up. Nothing.